Chief Minister Conrad Sangma, along with Nongstoin MLA Macmillan Bersat, launched several developmental schemes in a program organized by the Basin Development Unit, West Khasi Hills at New Nongstoin Playground. The scheme includes Focus Plus Scheme, National Rural Livelihood Mission (NRLM), Yes Meghalaya, distribution of piglets under progress, and launching of Rural Backyard Poultry Scheme.
Lokinyang Sports Club, Rambarai Youth Sports Social,
in terms of different technology, training, cooperative programs, different kind of investments that have to be made, this government has left no stone unturned to ensure that different investments, trainings and technologies are brought into the farming sector so that our people are able to increase their livelihood, are able to go to the next level and are able to increase their income on an annual basis.